How to recover Brawl Stars account. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. In the source bar, search for Brawl Stars support and then head over to the very first site. It will land you on this interface. Here inside account, you can see the option where it says I lost my account. Click on it. Click on troubleshooting at the top right. Click on contact form. Here you can see the option of contact us. Click on it. This interface will pop up. You will have to fill up some of the information over here. So the very first thing you want to do is to select the language and then select the category. Once it is done, you need to enter your account name and also enter your active email address associated with your account. And then in this box, you will have to write the problem that you have been facing on Brawl. You simply need to write that you want to recover your account and you haven't done any of the activities that is against the terms and conditions of the Brawl. Once you have written all of those things, click on this checkbox and then click on submit. The report will be successfully sent to the Brawl support. Within 24 hours, they will definitely come up with some solution for you and your account will be recovered successfully. So that's it, and this is simply how you can recover your Brawl account. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.